In this module, we will focus on training need analysis for soft skills improvement in any training activity. We will examine its utility and the different steps we need to implement: collection of data, analyzing the data, and based on the results, how to plan and design a training program so to fill soft skill gaps of the participants. The training needs analysis is a tool to meet the needs and the expectation of the trainees for increase the impact of their participation and to maximize the results of the training. Learning objectives of this module are to identify the existing soft skills gaps that require targeted learning activities, to determine the different levels of the training needs analysis, TNA, to understand the steps of TNA, to understand the methods and tools for soft skills TNA, to be able to analyze the collected data and use them for a training plan on soft skills, to understand that TNA provides a roadmap for enhancing job performance by identifying the specific soft skills needed for various job positions and roles. Soft skills definition. Social skills refer to and include transversal, social, employability, generic, 21st century, as well as emotional intelligence skills. Specific professional fields have their own special terminology, i.e., authorities in the educational sector speak about transversal skills, while labor professionals use the word employability skills. Psychologists use emotional intelligence, while the healthcare specialists use social skills. In the new era, we should have in mind the European Skills Agenda for sustainable competitiveness, social fairness, and resilience, related mainly with jobs in a green and digital economy. Tools for soft skills upskilling: counseling in group or person, mentoring, coaching, training, train the trainers, best practice examples, study visits, self-awareness, knowledge building, and creating learning network, business success teams, innovative group training, gender equality perspective, women empowerment. Definition of training needs. Analysis and levels. Training needs analysis, TNA, also known as a training needs assessment, is a process that organizations use to determine the gap between the current and desired knowledge, skills, or abilities of employees. The three levels of a training needs analysis are organizational analysis, operational analysis, and individual analysis. They are used to assess different levels of training needs. The most common used tools for training needs analysis: observation, questionnaires, interviews with persons in key positions and or with specific knowledge, relevant literature and references, interviews with trainees, focus groups, assessments and surveys, exercises, games, world cafes, etc.